Hey, this is Tim from CADWorks.dk. I'm going to show how you can run SOLIDWORKS CAM along this edge opposed to just the X, Y, or yeah. So in this one we want to go XC or YC direction, and that is quite easy actually. So let me start by creating a sketch on the surface, and then I'm going to pick out of these edges and run an offset entity. And I'm just going to go with 4 because I'm going to cut this with an 8mm ball mill. So that would be okay. I'm going to exit that sketch and I'm going to go into CAM and I will create a mill path setup looking towards that surface and hit OK. Then I'm going to create manually a 2.5 axis feature called curve feature and just select these line entities. Set a depth, actually go for fine, and then set a depth of 4. And then generate the operation plan. So now in this one, basically, let me delete that one because I want to show you something else. Away you go. Let me do this manually. I want to create a 2.5 axis contour mill. So now I'm selecting that one instead of the generate operation plan. So contour mill, and I'm going to go with the 8mm ball nose. So that is picked up directly from my tool crib and I can add new tools this way. So this way I can get the tool that I want instantly and then hit OK. And from here I can go into contour and I can basically I can adjust the cut levels, but I don't want to do that in this case. I do not want to run with compensation and I want the toolpath without compensation. So I'm running exactly on the line. So that should be just about it. So if I preview that, I can see that I get a toolpath with a lead in and lead out. If I do not want the lead ins, then I can go, for instance, for perpendicular and say 4mm and preview that. Or I could go parallel and preview that. So I can adjust my lead-ins as I see fit. But this one is going to be just fine, and now it's a matter of cutting the rest of this part file. So I will go in to the operation or the feature tree, right click on the curve feature that I created, create a pattern, linear pattern along that edge. Let's space those with 0.25 and let's just put in 100 passes. So now we get these lines as our contour paths. And if I go into the process, then I can see that this is the result. And if I simulate the toolpath, now I'm just going to turbo mode because I don't want to see anything cutting. And then I didn't cut all the way through. Obviously I need to correct the instances in my pattern, but now I can preview the differences and everything is just fine. So in this case, we are running a toolpath looking at the CAM software in the X and C direction. So this is totally doable in SOLIDWORKS CAM. Thank you for watching.